Hi everyone, welcome back to the Ultimate Gardening channel. My name is Emmanuel Arcel, well known to be the Ultimate Gardener. I'm a 16-year-old gardening educator down here in South Florida that tries to inspire other gardeners to get their hands in the dirt and grow their own food. So in today's exciting sprouting video, we are celebrating 4 years on YouTube. And this is super exciting, and of course I couldn't have done it without every single one of you all. So in this giveaway, in the collaboration with Survival Garden Seeds and Smart Pots, we'll be able to give away some amazing products to one lucky winner. So now I want to discuss about the products that are going to be given away and all the rest of the details, which are going to be a little bit more further down. So now let's discuss about the products that will be given away. So coming up to number 1 is the Home Garden Seed Collection from Survival Garden Seeds. This amazing seed collection includes 30 different seed varieties for you to enjoy in your proper garden. And the thing I love about Survival Garden Seeds is that they have great quality seeds, as well as in each packet they have great quantity as well. As well as they have a vast amount of varieties on their website to check out. So I'll be leaving their information in the description box as well, so you guys can go check them out and go support them as well. And so a huge shout out to Survival Garden Seeds for providing this amazing seed collection for this lucky winner. They are an amazing company, so all their information will be left in the description box below. So make sure you go check them out and go follow them on their media pages as well. So the second product being given away to the lucky winner will be a Smart Pots Junior raised bed. So the thing I love about Smart Pots is that they create fabric containers that are not only affordable, but they're great for an average at-home gardener and for container gardening and for gardeners that have restricted gardening space. The thing I love about their products is that they allow aeration in and out of the container, so root bounding is prevented, as well as the soil always constantly stays aerated and is never compacted ever. And from the years that I've had my Smart Pots containers, it is showing the great effect of the plants growing in them, because it's easier to fertilize, it's easier to water, there's no root bound, there's great amount of growing space, so you're able to grow a lot of things within this raised bed. So the thing I love about this combination is that you'll have your raised bed and you'll have your seeds to be planted in the raised bed as well. So isn't this the most perfect combination to give away to one of you lucky winners? So here's a few more details on the giveaway to keep in mind. Number 1, which is the most important one, is this is only available for US residents. Number 2, this giveaway will be live from today all the way up until next week, Monday. So make sure you go ahead and submit your entry forms up until or before Monday. Another thing is that there will be an entry submission form in the description box below that will direct you to the Survival Garden Seeds website, and through there you'll be able to fill out all your information and put your entry in order to enter this giveaway. As well as in that entry we'll be pulling one lucky winner, and that one lucky winner will receive the Smart Pots raised bed, as well as the Home and Garden Seed collection from Survival Garden Seeds. So make sure you submit your entry forms before Monday. Also, a few other steps you need to do is you need to make sure you are subscribed to the Ultimate Gardening channel. You make sure you leave a like underneath this page, and you comment down below what your favorite thing about gardening and what you're excited to do this upcoming growing season. And don't forget to follow Smart Pots and Survival Garden Seeds on all their media pages as well, which will be listed in the description box below. So thank you all so much for watching and all the love and support you guys have been giving me. May God bless you and your entire family, and never forget to grow big, Ultimate Gardeners. Bye guys.